Hi everyone. So today it's going to be a birthday read for those born on the 21st of December. So a very happy birthday, darlings, and let's try and find out how this entire year would be for you. So angels and spirit guides, please can we have some messages for my Sagittarians? Okay, we have this one card. Let's see what more messages can we have. Anything interesting coming up? Let's see. Okay, I will still shuffle and let's see if there are any more messages coming up. So angels and spirit guides, are there any more messages coming up for my birthday people? No, it seems that's very strong message that we have, darlings, and yeah, that's the only one. Now let's try and find out from the angels. Maybe angels can help us getting some more messages. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my lovely birthday people as to how this entire year would be like. Let's see. We already have one card, but let's see if we can have some. No, quite surprising. So let's see what the card is all about. And two quite prominent ones. Okay, so the first card, the only card that says the Fool. So yes, you will have a new beginning. You can rewrite your life. So something new is definitely on the horizon. You will have a lot of stability. If you are single, then you can expect love coming in your way. Or if you are committed, then yes, you can expect something going up. Because it seems that there is a person who's coming in your life who's definitely giving you a flower, some offer. So yes, there is a new beginning can be seen. A lot of stability also coming in. Somehow I'm getting the energy that you will have a lot of name and fame also embracing. So yes, it seems whatever hard work you have put in, darlings, you are gonna achieve success. So yes, the only thing is spend time with nature, because that will definitely heal. If there are any issues that you could be dealing with, if at any given point, and don't be very careless now, because you love to take risks. Avoid taking much risk, but yes, you can expect success coming up. What the angels are saying is you need to have energy work done. So the place that you reside in, or the workplace that you are in, you need to keep that space very clean. So open the doors and windows so that fresh air moves in. Please burn camphor or sage to clear all the bad energies that are around. You can cleanse the space, like the floor, with rock salt water. So add in a bucket of water, add in some rock salt, and just sweep the floor. That will also cleanse the energy. Have lots of water. That also will flush out all the toxins that are there. And at any given point you think you need to breathe, sometimes your soul gets deprived, then yes, somehow nature seems to be calling. So darling, you can spend time with nature. Maybe that is required. Also, if you think that rearranging your closet also will help you in clearing the clutter in your head. So a lot of energy, meditation, that will also help you. If you are into holistic thing, because you are, somehow I'm getting a vibe that a lot of people love to explore or are very curious, and also maybe you could get you could attract some energies, but whatever it is, just release. Okay, so having salt water baths, meditation and all, cleansing your auras will definitely help you in bringing a lot of good things, attracting a lot of good things. Because yes, you have a lot of good things, call it finance, call it spiritual, call it emotional, you will have a new beginning, and definitely success seems to be embracing you. Now let's have some universal message from the angels and spirit guides for my lovely sweethearts. So angels and spirit guides, please can you help us getting some messages for my lovely Sagittarians, for the ones whose birthdays are today. Let's see what's in store for you, what is required. So okay, there we have. Anything else do we have? You have a lot of messages universe is trying to say, but let's see. Now the one that flew out is you are worth it. So whatever comes your way, darling, this year, yes, you deserve it. Maybe that's exactly why universe could be bringing you a lot of good things, and you could be just wondering this is something I never expected, or is it really like my dreams are coming true, is it? And universe is saying, yes, darling, you are worth it. That's the reason you are going to receive all the good things, abundance and everything. Like as I said, there is some name, fame, it's kind of the vibe I'm getting. It also says love yourself. So sweethearts, no matter what, it's high time that you need to pamper yourself and you need to put yourself in the priority. When you start loving yourself, you will attract all the good things, and a lot of vibrations will keep radiating in the universe, and you will attract a lot of good things to you. Okay, so for that you need to love yourself. I'm not saying you wouldn't, but yes, you need to. And again, more self-love. So probably you have been not giving a lot of love to yourself. So that's the reason it says pamper yourself and definitely love yourself. So both these things, like, go hand in hand. So universe is saying that, darlings, you have been putting others as the priority. It could be anything, what boat you are sailing in. So now universe is saying, darling, you are going to receive all that you desire because you're worth it, and for that you need to love yourself. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Take it as it resonates. The rest you can actually leave behind. And do hit the bell icon so that you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. I will definitely see you soon. So till then, my love, stay happy, stay blessed, and happy birthday once again.